We are ready, we're here. I just got changed. I'm wearing our mocha linen, which is being restocked next week. It's sold out in literally 24 hours. Love it. The girls are on their way. The room looks amazing. I'm so excited. Let's go. Guys, I can't cope. What the brand coffees, absolutely, of course we do, this is amazing. Ah! Welcome to our first ever WAT The Brand press day. It's very surreal because Sarah and I started our careers working at publications, behind the scenes, going to events like this our whole career.
Emotions are very high for us and we're very grateful for everyone that's come. And you know what, when we created WAT The Brand, it was something with so much love, so much passion. Every single item we try, we test, we fit, we obsess over every single detail. And the fact that you guys have come here and that you've supported us from day one in your publications, in your articles. Oh my God, I'm a mess. I'm so sorry. Woo! You know, in the content you created, in the people that you dressed, it really does mean the world to us. Every time we see a feature, it blows our mind, doesn't it?
Loads of done. Amazing. Whee! See you soon.
Oh my God, we're being chucked out of the room. It's been the most amazing. Such an incredible group of girls, women, everyone's so inspiring and loved every second of it.
It was the best day. Literally kicking us out. We had the best time. And now back to the office to debrief everything. But feeling so grateful and excited and all those things.